Hey y'all, it's SharonB, and today we're talking about real ways to start making money from your phone this week. No degree, no interview, no waiting for nobody to call you back.
I know a lot of people tired of putting in apps and never hearing back, so let's skip the mess and get into what actually works. I pulled together real ways to earn starting this week. Remote work platforms like LiveOps, Mod Squad, and Direct Interactions don't play. You sign up, get approved, and can start working it fast. No long interview. And for my drivers, you don't have to stick with Uber and DoorDash. There are apps like Roadie, Curry, and Veho that pay more.
These are real apps. I use some of them myself. You can work when you want and get paid without waiting for Friday.
This ain't just about hustling hard, it's about hustling smart. I like options that let me control my time, not the other way around.
You don't need a degree, a fancy resume, or to wait around for somebody to give you a shot. You can start this week. Pick 1 or 2 lanes,
Just simple jobs you can start this week from your phone. If you're tired of sending out applications and never hearing back, this video is for you. These aren't scams or hype. These are real platforms people are using every single day in 2025.
Are you tired of endless job searches? With Jobble, you can find local shifts that fit your schedule.
To get paid fast. Let's get into it. First up, quick hire remote work. Platforms like LiveOps, Direct Interactions, and Mod Squad make it easy to start working from home. You can apply online, and some people get approved the same week.
Brand tasks. Take photos of shelves.
I just want to work. I don't want to play these games. I found 3 apps that make it so much easier.
Tired of the old way? I get it. These new apps make it so much easier.
You can apply online and in some cases get approved in the same week. Quick hire remote work. LiveOps pays per talk minute and usually averages $15 to $25 an hour. If you have kids, a full-time job, or just want flexibility, these are great options. Next, daily pay gig apps. These are perfect if you need money fast. Instawork is one I've used personally. They show your pay up front, the work is straightforward, and once you build a good rating, you can land higher paying gigs. I've made $150 plus in a day, no interview, no waiting weeks for a paycheck. Check out Roadie, Curry, and Veho, Roadie, local delivery runs. Curry, construction and industrial materials, usually higher pay. Veho, residential deliveries with less competition. Most of these apps only require a quick sign-up and a background check, and then you can start accepting jobs. Not into driving? Try microwork platforms. Sites like Remotasks, ClickWorker, and Microworkers pay you to do small tasks online, like labeling images, testing websites, or short research. It's flexible, works on your schedule, and can be done right from your phone or laptop. Another option is product testing and surveys. Platforms like user testing and Respondent pay for your opinions. Respondent can pay $25 to $150 depending on the project. This is something you can do in your spare time, and it's super beginner friendly. You can offer services like answering emails, managing social media, scheduling posts, doing light research. A lot of small businesses are hiring people for simple tasks, and this can easily grow into steady weekly income. And here's a bonus lane that's growing fast: affiliate programs. Platforms like TikTok Shop, Amazon Influencer, and Impact let you promote products and earn commission on sales. No big following required, you can start this alongside any other hustle to stack extra cash. You don't need a degree, perfect resume, or a long hiring process. These are real opportunities you can start this week. Pick 1 or 2 lanes that fit your lifestyle, apply, and start building your income stream. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs extra income, and subscribe, because I post real hustle videos every single week. Just ways to get that bag in 2025. And the best part is, you don't have to wait for perfect timing to start. A lot of these apps approve fast, some even within 24 to 48 hours. You could be working your first shift or picking up your first task by the end of the week. It's really about taking that first step.